What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So right here we got my cousin's G35 with NOS that we are going to be taking to JD right now to go replace the clutch, because the clutch started slipping, and when we would step on it, the RPMs would just like start flying up, but the car wouldn't be moving as fast as it should be. So we figured it was a clutch. We bought a new clutch, which is actually in here. So we got the competition clutch. This is, I think, the white bunny, which they use for drifting and all that. So we're gonna be putting that clutch in along with a new flywheel. I got my cousin right here. But first, quick stop at UPS. All right, so we just got everything in here. We got the air tank. I don't know where, we have to open up each box and find out what's what. But thanks to Marcus, we bought his set of air suspension from Airlift 3P. That's gonna and this right here is why we're going airbags. I know he's scraping that bumper. Well, guys, technical difficulties right here, as you guys can see. We got some company. Alright, so apparently they removed his license plate because he registered the car already and put it under his name and got new license plates. But unfortunately, when he went to register it, he didn't remove the old license plate. So apparently they just took them off right now and they're gonna take them. So no more Shrek G. Yep. My cousin's pissed. Super pissed. So we finally made it. Got JD right here. Gonna be doing in the work, putting in the new clutch. And if you guys are wondering, we both got our tickets, me and Mars.
Alright, so this is what the original clutch looks like. It's pretty worn out, just enough for it to start slipping. Got some chipping in the corners over here. So yeah, this looks like the original clutch. So change it out to the stage 2 competition clutch, and I'm about to take out the flywheel right now. Flywheel is out along with the clutch and the pressure plate. As you can see, it's also important to check the rear main seal if you have any oil leaks. Pretty common in higher mileage motors, but in this car's case, it's only got about 80,000 miles, so it looks okay. And here comes the hard part, in my opinion, is getting the pilot bushing out in the middle, and then pressing in the new throw-out bearing. Throw-out bearing out. Just gotta press the old one out and then press the new one in for that. And right here we have the pilot bushing. I need to get to cut a couple notches around it so that it can flex a little bit, and I got a slide hammer to pretty much pull it out. And I got the new one in there. Just gotta slowly tap it in with a hammer. Okay, next up is the lightweight flywheel install. Alright, so clutch and pressure plates in. All the bolts torqued at 32 foot-pounds with Loctite. Torqued in a cross pattern. Now I'm just gonna put the transmission back in.
Alright guys, it's the next day. Shrek is good to go and finally has a new clutch in. Thanks to JD, who's actually pulling up right now. So we're gonna be heading out to a car meet right now, out in Oxnard. We got Ruby right here as well. So let's find out how good this new clutch is. All right.
I don't want to talk to him.
Yeah, I don't want to talk. Okay.
All right. So Mark doesn't want to talk or whatever in the video, but it's been a couple weeks. No, it's been like what, 2 weeks, and we did the clutch.
2 weeks, yeah.
2 weeks. Clutch is fine, and grip's a lot better than what it used to be.
I hear more pops in the exhaust.
I don't know how.
That's not gonna do it, but
I don't know how that works, but fuck it.
Yeah,
I mean, the car runs way better.
Shift.
Yeah, and when I drove it, it's like it grabs on right away. Not like before, it was like we had to let the clutch pedal like way further out for it to grab. But now it like grabs on as soon as you start letting go of the clutch. So I'm gonna end today's video right here, guys, for the clutch. And next video that you guys see with the Shrek G, or that needs to, it's not Shrek G. My bad. Shrek G is done, as you guys saw earlier in the video. Cops took the Shrek G license plate, so no more Shrek G. What is it now?
Go around.
Oh yeah. The Green Ranger. The Green Ranger G. So, next video you guys see, we are going to be installing air suspension. So you guys will see that in the next video. Got the remote right there. Nice. And then we got JD that's going to help us install everything. Shout out to JD for helping us install the clutch. And again, thank you guys for always supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.